My name is Karim Ghajar and I'm a third year student at Al Farabi Kazakh National University. This video is about my internship at the Research Institute of Sustainable Ecology and Bioresources from May 25, 2026 to June 13, 2026. During my internship, I worked in a laboratory specializing in microalgae research. The main focus of our work was the cultivation of microalgae and the study of their growth, stability, and interaction with the carbon dioxide. Microalgae are important organisms because they can effectively absorb CO2 through photosynthesis and procedure valuable biomass for various biotechnological applications. During the first days of the internship, I became familiar with the laboratory safety regulations, technical equipment, and the objectives of the research project. I learned how to work safely in a laboratory environment and how to prevent contamination during experiments. Later, I studied scientific literature related to microalgae cultivation and their role in environmental sustainability. This helped me better understand the theoretical background of the project and the significance of microalgae in carbon capture and biotechnology. As a part of my practical training, I prepared culture media and the nutrient solutions for microalgae cultivation. I also learned how to sterilize laboratory materials using an autoclave and how to maintain sterile conditions during experimental procedures. I participated in the inoculation and the cultivation of microalgae cultures, prepared samples for analysis, and observed cell growth using microscopy. In addition, I gained experience in measuring growth parameters and monitoring culture conditions. This internship allowed me to improve my laboratory skills, gain practical experience in microbiology and biotechnology, and better understand the potential of microalgae for sustainable environmental solutions. I would like to thank my supervisors and the staff of the Research Institute of Sustainable Ecology and the Bioresources for their guidance, support, and valuable experience through this internship. Thank you for your attention.